At the Northern Colorado RV show today, I got the chance to see a Basecamp 20X. This is the first time I've seen any one of these in person, so I thought it would be fun to compare the 2023 Basecamp 20X with our 2018 Basecamp. The 2023 Basecamp 20X has a sleeping capacity of 4. Our 2018 Basecamp has a sleeping capacity of 2 people and 3 dogs. The 20X has a dry weight of 3,500 pounds, a gross weight of 4,300 pounds, and a cargo capacity of 900 pounds. Comparing to the 16, we have a dry weight of 2,585 pounds, a gross weight of 3,500 pounds, which gives you roughly the same cargo capacity of 915 pounds. The 20X has a freshwater tank of 23 gallons, ours is 22 gallons. And they have a gray tank of 28 gallons and a black tank of 21 gallons, whereas we have a combined black and gray tank of 29 gallons. The exterior height on the 20X is 9 feet 5 inches, whereas the Basecamp 16 is 8 feet and 6 inches. The X package does have a lift, as well as I believe the 20 is a tad taller inside. The exterior length on the Basecamp 20X is 20 feet 2 inches, and the exterior length on our 16 is 16 feet 2 inches. And finally, this isn't specific to the links that we toured, but it is worth mentioning that the Basecamp 20X had the Forest Ridge decor, and our 2018 Basecamp has the Red Rock decor. Let's see what you get with those additional 4 feet. The Basecamp 20X. Since I've never been in one. The front of the 20-foot has a U-shaped dinette that converts into a lounge and bed and measures 43 inches by 78 inches. This sleeps 2. Above it are the panoramic windows that everyone loves about the Basecamp. Across from the entry door is the refrigerator-freezer combo. This one is a 4.3 cubic foot 12-volt electric refrigerator. There's storage above and below. I skipped over the wet bath because it's identical to what we have in the 16-foot. I did look at the additional storage on the left-hand side of the wet bath, as well as storage in the floor at the back of the camper. It's a great use of space when there aren't many places to put things. The 20-foot has a little bit bigger convertible bed. It measures 82 inches by 78 inches when converted into the full bed. The Basecamps now come with a bed mod. I believe this started in 2020. Anything prior to that, you had to complete the bed mod yourself. We have a couple of videos on us completing the bed mod in our 16-foot. The kitchen in the 20-foot faces the passenger side windows. It has 2 storage cabinets underneath the sink, as well as 3 smaller storage cabinets underneath the 2-burner stove, one of which has a silverware tray. The open storage space under the dinette was a little bit of a surprise to me. This completes our tour of the 2023 Basecamp 20X. Thanks for watching!